Hello, here's Anna from Spotahome Paris. Today we're in a very lively district number 4 and we're going to visit a double bedroom apartment located at the street Rue des Archives. The closest metro station is Hôtel de Ville. The apartment is on the 5th floor, there's no elevator, and it's very stylish and well equipped. Let's have a look. So we are inside, here's the entrance door. We are in a corridor that opens straight away towards the dining room with an open kitchen here on the left, and on the right it becomes a hall with the staircase, and then it's the living room. But before we get there, first thing on the left, this is the door leading to the toilet. There are two toilets in here, another one is upstairs, so here is the first one. There's also a little sink and a lamp. And the door closes, so that's rather for the guests. Right here, this is the dining room. So you can see there are spots on the ceiling. There are also some fancy lights to party, and there is that beautiful wooden table with 3 chairs. There's also a counter with 3 high chairs, and the counter marks the division between the dining room part and the kitchen. Still in the dining room, we've got also some storage space, and this is the fridge and the freezer right here. This is a wardrobe, standalone wardrobe with a mirror. That's a trash bin. This is a window that opens towards an interior courtyard. And this is the kitchen part. So there's a sink, a dishwasher. There are 2 electric plates. This is an oven. Here's the microwave and the storage space. And the kitchen is fully equipped. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you before the night comes. You see, this is the interior courtyard. And on the other side, we've got, in the living room, we've got 2 windows that open towards the main street. But we can see some more windows right here. So actually here in the middle of the apartment, there's a really tiny corridor. And there's literally nothing in there. This is it. You're gonna see on the upper level, there's also a part that is with an access towards that little courtyard. Okay, so there are 3 more chairs, a round table, there is some shelving, that's the staircase. We've got some more lamps, and this is the living room. So there's a comfortable, huge sofa, a little TV table, 1 more sitting place. There's a transformable sofa that transforms into double bed, although the main bedrooms are definitely upstairs. There's an armchair, but that belongs to one of the present tenants, so it's going to be taken away. The same goes for a table, like an office table, which is upstairs. You're gonna see it just now with all the computers, so that belongs to the present tenants. But the TV definitely stays. And there's also some built-in shelving. And you see there's a link with a bedroom above, because there's a bedroom number 1, which is just above. So there's a part of the ceiling that's made of glass, but the tenant he just put some carpets and stuff not to have the light from the living room. So you're gonna see it just now above. Okay, and let's check the view from the window, because this is the main street, Rue des Archives. This is one of the main shopping malls in Paris and one of the oldest, BHV. And you can see all the bars down there. It's a really wonderful area to live. And this is a bus stop, and the metro station is just right there around the corner. Okay. So now let's check the upper level. So here is the upper level. That's the staircase from above, and we are in a kind of a corridor that gives us an access to two upper bedrooms. So here in the corridor you see it's like L-shaped, lots of openings. This is the working area, this is the bedroom, right here, number 1, and this is the bedroom number 2. And at the end of this corridor we've got the bathroom and another toilet. So please look at the plan, because it will be much easier for you to understand. So right here in the middle, the ceiling is high, but we are at the next to the roof, so you can see that it goes down, and there's a part of the room that can't be really used unless you want to stack your stuff, like right there. So the same goes for the other bedroom. Anyways, so right here there's a working area with a table and 2 chairs. And let's check the bedroom number 1. So again, the nice lights continue. That's the funky part. There's a double bed, and right here there's a built-in wardrobe, like this. And you get a lamp right here as well. In the hall you've got spots in the ceiling. And there's a window as well, so that opens into that tiny interior courtyard that we could see as well from the lower level. Okay, so now we've got like a Japanese bedroom, because this is a double pocket door, and when it's closed, it really makes me think of Japan. So the bedroom number 1, it closes. The bedroom number 2, this one it closes. This one you've got simply an opening. And right here we've got a double mattress. Right here it's a little bit lower than in the bedroom number 1, but there are 2 windows in the roof. Otherwise it's the same scheme, so some funky lights, spots, etc. And there's a built-in wardrobe right here. Okay, that's the heater. And now there's an opening towards the bathroom. Right here, no more doors. So here's the bathroom part. We've got a double sink, and again the ceiling is high. We've got 2 lamps, big mirror, some shelving on the opposite side, some lamps. So further down, this is where the washing machine and the dryer are. You have your own laundry room simply, and there are some spots in the ceiling. And on the other side, so you see the corridor, because it's still the same corridor, it turns, and this is where the shower cabin is and the toilet. Again, no door. So here's the shower cabin with some spots, and that's the toilet, again with some spots. And further down right here, there is some storage space. So it goes till the floor, and here is the heater for the towels, and there's also one window in the roof. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed the visit. It was Anna from Spotahome Paris. Thank you very much for your attention, and à bientôt!